Hi, Scorpio, Sun and Rising. So I am keeping things short and sweet this month with a one-card pull. And your tarot card theme for July is the amazing Ace of Pentacles. So, Scorpio, with the Ace of Pentacles showing up for you this month, it looks like you're in for some beautiful new beginnings and opportunities. So this card is all about planting the seeds for future success and fulfillment. So whether you're thinking about a new job or career, a financial investment, moving to a new home, or upsizing or downsizing, starting a business, taking a class, or investing in higher education, any of those things can be related to this card. You may have even been approved for a loan or scholarship even. Whatever this is for you, this card symbolizes the divine hand of infinite growth and potential that is encouraging you to take those practical steps and trust that you are on the right path to achieving your goals. Now, Scorpio, pay attention also to synchronicities this month, as the aces tend to be a very divine energy in the tarot. So look out for those angel numbers, feathers, little signs that tell you that the universe is connecting with you and perhaps even offering you some guidance. Okay, so on the professional front, July is shaping up to be pretty exciting for you with the Ace of Pentacles. So my Scorpios out there may find themselves with a new job offer, a promotion, or a chance to take on some exciting new responsibilities, or maybe a big project. Others of you may decide to start a side business. This could be a hobby that has the potential to be quite profitable and successful over time. The key here, no matter what is going on here in your professional life, is to stay grounded and focused. This isn't the time to rush things. Instead, take a practical, strategic approach and be willing to put in the necessary hard work. Now, your efforts are going to pay off, so keep a positive mindset as you trust in your abilities to make it happen. Scorpios have a knack for this. It's like when you put your mind to something, the universe will align with you, and it just seems to co-create with my Scorpios out there. Y'all are very magnetic. It's like you can bring opportunities and people and situations to you. So know that you've got this, Scorpio, and I'm rooting for you. Now, in your personal life, the Ace of Pentacles card brings a vibe of stability and growth. It's a great time to make improvements around your home, focus on your health and your personal needs. Maybe even make some extra time for that quiet time that is so important for my Scorpios. As well as you might decide to start or pick up a hobby that you are curious about. And relationships as well can benefit from this Ace of Pentacles grounded energy. Building or renewing connections with your partner and or loved ones will bring you a lot of joy and comfort this month. So overall, Scorpio, July looks like a month where you can really lay the groundwork for a prosperous and fulfilling future in any area of your life that is important to you right now. Take a deep breath and follow up these auspicious opportunities with a practical plan of action, and be sure and take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally as well. And all of these things combined will allow you to watch your hard work blossom into something amazing. Okay, Scorpio, I hope these messages were helpful for you. If they were, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you all, and I wish you the best of success for the month of July.